All right, folks. So we have reached the last part of Lesson 1, Part 4. Think back for a moment to what we covered on Part 3. Remember, we always want to reflect. What did you learn? Why is it important? How will you apply it to the JCC class and your other classes? All right, so moving forward. Part 4 is really a review of what we've covered up to this point. And so there's a series of questions, and we will go from there. All right, so choose the word that best matches the definition below. A program that teaches high school students the values of good citizenship while giving them an introduction to the U.S. Army. If you selected D, you'd be correct. JROTC/JCC. Choose a word that best matches the definition below. A high school student enrolled in the leadership and citizenship activities through JROTC, or a middle school student enrolled in the leadership and citizenship activities through JCC. If you chose cadet, letter A, you're correct. Choose a word that best matches the definition below. Being the only one of its kind. If you chose unique, or C, you're correct. Choose a word that best matches the definition below. Provide a need or a purpose that causes a person to want to do something. If you chose C, motivate, you're correct. Choose a word that best matches the definition below. To arouse the interest of one's actions or efforts, to stimulate, the quality of requiring full use of one's ability, energy, and resources, to demand identification from someone before they are allowed to enter or pass. If you chose A, challenges, you're on the ball. Favorable or advantageous circumstances, or a combination of circumstances. If you chose B, opportunities, you get it right. All right, so at this time, I'm going to have you click on a link to be able to do an exercise on matching, and then when you're done, come on back. So let's reflect on this lesson, right? What can I do as a cadet in this class to help JCC accomplish its mission? And how have my personal goals been impacted by what I've learned in today's, or really this week's, lesson? I'm going to have you click on a link. Go ahead and complete that. And when you're done, come on back. All right. So next we're going to be moving into the past and purpose of Army JROTC. That's Unit 1, Course 1, Lesson 2. And so we're going to start that next week. Have a fantastic weekend, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.